Stuck trying to generate a Cloudflare API key? The menu is hidden. Here's exactly where to click to get one in under 2 minutes. We'll start from your Cloudflare Dashboard, navigate to the API Tokens section, and use a template to create your key. Follow along. So first, open up your Cloudflare account and log in. You'll land right on the dashboard, which is where we need to be. This is the main hub where you manage all your sites and settings, so make sure you're signed in and looking at that familiar overview page. Now look all the way up to the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon or your email address. Go ahead and click on that. A little drop-down menu will appear. And here's the thing. This is the spot where a lot of people get stuck. You might expect API settings to be under a gear icon or somewhere in your account settings, but Cloudflare keeps it tucked away behind your profile. Click on it. Once that drop-down opens, you'll see a few options. Look for the one that says My Profile and click it. That will take you to a new page with a whole set of tabs on the left-hand side. Now just scan down that left panel until you see API Tokens. Click on that. All right, you should now be on the API Tokens page. This is the control center for all your API access. You'll probably see a big blue button that says Create Token. Click that. This is where the magic happens. Now, this next page can look a little overwhelming at first. There are a lot of options and a lot of text. But Cloudflare has made this super easy for us. They give us pre-built templates. You can see a list of them right there. The most common one, and the one I recommend for general use, is called Edit Zone DNS. If you're integrating with a third-party service or just need to automate DNS changes, this template is perfect. It gives the token permission to read and edit your DNS records, which is usually all you need. So go ahead and click the blue Use Template button on that card. This takes you to a configuration screen. You don't need to change anything here for a basic setup, but it's worth taking a quick look. You can see it's already set to work with all your zones, which are your domains, and you can see exactly what permissions it has. Just one thing to keep in mind. You can narrow this down later to only specific domains if you want, but for now, leaving it as all zones is totally fine. Scroll down and click Continue to Summary. Here's a quick review of everything your token will be able to do. It's always a good idea to double-check this. Make sure it has edit access to DNS and read access to other things. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the blue Create Token button. And there it is, your brand new API token. This is the only time Cloudflare will show it to you in full, so this is really important. Copy it right now and save it somewhere safe. I recommend a password manager. If you lose this, you'll have to generate a new one. But once it's saved, you can close this window and you're all set. You've got a working API token ready to go. That's all it takes. Now you can plug that into whatever service or script you're using, and you're good to go. Thanks for following along.